We were doing a donor event with the Jones family and VegasTickets.com, who donated $12,000 for this year's Little Learner preschool boxes.
The donation is funding Little Learner boxes, and they are early learning kits where the youth come into the library and they are able to pick up a box, and inside the box has age-appropriate learning tools in there, such as painting, puzzles, books, and stickers to help with the early cognitive skills that our youth need to be successful.
What do you say? What do you say?
You're very well. You're very well. My wife and I, Christy, through our charitable giving program, wanted to give back to various organizations. The library is very near and dear to my heart. As a youth growing up in Chicago, the library was a safe haven for myself. I was bullied as a child growing up in Chicago. I came from a pretty abusive home, so I used to find my way into the stacks at a local library and read, and the librarians became caregivers for me.
Response is always fabulous whenever we give out the boxes. The children are always excited, the caregivers are very happy to receive materials that they can engage with their preschoolers.
I think that's awesome. It's gonna definitely help as I do a lot of at-home stuff with her, so it'll be supplemental to that. And then it also just gives us something else to do that's different, other than her playing with her toys or just going outside to play. She's got something else that she can tinker with and fidget and learn from.
It looks like there's a couple coloring books in there, some projects to do. Did you see the airplane? And the painting, so yeah, he likes to do those. We've gotten a couple in the past. They're good activities for us to do at home, and we enjoy them, right? Yeah.
The library is incredible, and I would encourage other local leaders and families in the community to get out to the local library, because the products and services that they're offering to the community are amazing. The more and more that I'm involved, I can't believe the variety of services that they're offering right now.